Hey everyone! Welcome to Fact Flash 1 Minute. Today we're talking about cryptocurrencies. What are they? How do they work? And what's the future of this new technology? Today we will answer all these questions, so stay tuned and watch the video without skipping. What are cryptocurrencies?
Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. A defining feature of a cryptocurrency, and arguably its most endearing allure, is its organic nature. It is not issued by any central authority, rendering it theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation.
History of cryptocurrencies.
The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with its own unique features and value proposition.
How do cryptocurrencies work?
Cryptocurrencies work through a decentralized network of computers that verify and record transactions. This network is called a blockchain, and it is what makes cryptocurrencies so secure. Transactions on the blockchain are immutable, meaning that they cannot be changed or reversed.
How to make money with cryptocurrencies?
There are a few ways to make money with cryptocurrencies. One way is to buy and sell them on exchanges. Another way is to mine them, which involves using computer hardware to solve complex mathematical problems in order to earn cryptocurrency rewards. Finally, you can also use cryptocurrencies to pay for goods and services.
The future of cryptocurrencies.
The future of cryptocurrencies is still uncertain, but there is a lot of potential for this technology. Some people believe that cryptocurrencies could eventually replace traditional fiat currencies, while others believe that they will only be used for niche applications. Only time will tell what the future holds for cryptocurrencies, but one thing is for sure, they are here to stay. The total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies is currently over $2 trillion. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum, Tether, and Binance Coin. Cryptocurrencies can be used to buy goods and services from a growing number of merchants. There are a number of risks associated with cryptocurrencies, including volatility, hacking, and fraud.
That's all for today's episode of Fact Flash 1 Minute. So see you again with a video full of knowledge. Thanks for watching.